Now we will do two very fast and beautiful designs. Apply camouflage base coat or hard gel. We take green shimmer gel polish and draw a Christmas tree as shown in the video. Take silver glitter gel polish and apply it in the middle, imitating the ground, and make small dots on the background. Take another tip and draw ground with dark and light glitter. Draw a house with brown gel polish and Christmas trees behind it. On this tip, we also drew sparkling dots on the background. Cure everything in a lamp, take a denser white gel polish and draw windows in the house, and cure the result in a lamp. Cover the tip with a top coat and cure the tip in a lamp. Now we will make a Christmas tree more detailed. Draw snow with gel paint, don't cure it, and apply transparent acrylic powder on the nail. Note that acrylic powder will absorb into the gel paint. After curing everything in a lamp, simply remove leftovers of the acrylic powder. So here are the designs that we've got. Write in comments whether you like such snow effect.